Hey guys, this is Sarah and I'm a food editor here at the Feedfeed, and today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest entertaining dish, and it is whipped feta. It's so creamy, super delicious. Let's get started. Okay, you ready? I have the giggles now. It's like a sleepover. Girls, it's 3 a.m. All we have is feta, cream cheese, lemon zest, lemon juice, and olive oil. And then we'll season it with some salt and pepper.
Talk about feta.
Feta! It's tangy, it's crumbly and delicious. Sometimes when I go home, my parents have it, like they buy it pre-crumbled, and it makes me really upset because I feel like when you buy it pre-crumbled, it gets like this weird film over it, and I don't think it tastes as good. So if you're gonna buy feta, I'd recommend buying the entire block that's like in the brine, because I think it's fresher and it's cheaper, you know? Get a little bang for your buck. That's all I have to say about feta.
That was great.
Thank you. First thing I'm gonna do is whip the feta and the cream cheese together. We're gonna also like whip some air into it so that it's fluffy as a cloud. And now I'm also gonna add some olive oil to help sort of smooth this all out. So we're gonna scrape down the sides. Look how luscious and creamy this looks. Yummy!
Sorry, what was that?
Yummy! Watch me whip. Kids. That's nice. I appreciate that you gave me, Haley. My love language is words of affirmation, so all the I can get. I digress. We're gonna flavor this with just a ton of lemon and lemon zest. It just brightens up the whole situation. Feta's super tangy and salty. But you know, let this whipped feta be your canvas. Like, you could totally add way more to this if you wanted to add like some charred veggies to it, or I don't know. You could literally add anything to it. You could add like tahini, like whatever you want to add to this would totally work. But this is just like a simple starting point. So let me know if you have any good things that you decide to add to yours. I'm gonna blend this. Wee! I haven't seasoned it yet, but honestly, because the feta is so salty, you honestly don't really need to add too much salt. Even though I said that you did before, probably don't taste it. That is so yummy. I'm gonna add a little salt. I'm just a liar, apparently. But pinch of salt, nothing too crazy. Okay, now I'm going to spread some of this whipped feta on this grilled sourdough that I have, and maybe some friends will join me for a little toasty snack. And I'm gonna top it with some za'atar and Aleppo, but you can do whatever you like. Okay, so what could you do with this dip? Literally anything. You could serve it out with crudité and pita chips at your next party. You could, you know, toss a little bit in your salads. It's really great everywhere. I honestly would recommend making a huge batch and just having some in your fridge for like a feta emergency. People are coming from all angles. Where did you guys all come from?
I'm hungry.
We heard there was toast.
I'm nervous. Whipped feta. Oh my God, it's like the family photos.
It's
like Christmas morning.
We're gonna have to do a prom stand to all fit in the.
Okay, so this is Aleppo. And then star. Just a little bit of Evu. Okay, one for you.
Thank you.
Jake, all right, cheers.
Cheers.
Closer now. Thoughts?
Salty, creamy, chef's
Dreamy.
kiss.
Great patio food.
Entertaining goals.
Yes.
I'm into it.
Well, thanks, guys.
I'm into it.
You should grab the recipe. Okay, bye. Don't forget to grab the recipe at thefeedfeed.com and make this whipped feta because it's delicious and it's easy, and I'll see you next time.